Hey there, it's Dr. Minako here. I am giving a talk on Thursday, April 20th at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And for those of you who are in Japan, that is Friday, April 21st at 5 a.m. And I'm going to be talking about how we can heal our bodies of cancer using our own immune system. I will be talking about lifestyle measures, how we can eat, sleep, move, and relax in order to support our immune system and to help it fight cancer. And I'll also be introducing you to cutting-edge treatments where we actually treat cancer by using your own immune cells to get rid of cancer cells. So what is a cancer vaccine? We're already using this as a treatment. How does it work, and how do we get it to target your specific cancer? We also have natural killer cells. These are immune cells that are already circulating in our bodies that patrol and eliminate rogue cancer cells. So how do we use this mechanism with the technology that we have today to ensure the best outcomes for cancer? Let's use all of the tools that we have in our toolbox. Of course, traditional surgery, radiation, chemotherapy are important, but also using our lifestyle and our immune cells, our newest, best technologies to make a better life for all of us. So sign up for this free lecture on doctorsonsocialmedia.com and join me live, as there may be a fee when it's made available on demand. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to share this information with you.